Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. In today's video, I'm doing a Virgo inspired nail art design. So I will be drawing a maiden or a woman, which is the Virgo zodiac sign, and I am using Young Nails black gel paint. So this nail art isn't that good at all. Let me just tell you that from the jump. But I said I was going to be completing the zodiac nail art drawings, so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to keep my word, okay? So even if they do not come out that great, I will still post it, okay? So my talent ran out, and this is what I was left with. I couldn't do any better, okay guys? This is all I could do. My talent ran out. Alright? So you can tell it's a woman, but damn, this nail design really ain't shit. It is not good, okay? Not good at all. Good thing not much of y'all watch my nail art drawings anyway. So only what, 50 of y'all might see it, maybe even less. So that's a good thing. Not much of y'all will be seeing this. But I am low-key proud of myself because I really kind of drew on my nails that well. And I still did it. It's not that good as I said before, but you know, you could tell it's a woman, so I'm going to give myself 1 point for that. The face was the most difficult to draw. Although the whole nail drawing was difficult, the face was the most difficult to draw. So anyway, I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing right now and let me know what you guys think. I sped up this video a lot so that I can get this video over with. And yeah, so that's all I have to say. So bye.